While you're stressing over your portfolio during these wild market swings and global headlines, Canadian institutions just poured over $1 billion into XRP, quietly stacking billions through our spot ETFs. They're not panicking, they're buying the dip hard. But are you on the wrong side of this massive Canadian shift? Welcome back to Saban XRP, your go-to crypto insights for Canadians. If this hits home, smash that like button right now. It helps the algorithm push this to more Canadians building XRP positions. And subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss any updates. Let's dive in. First off, let's look at the cold hard numbers. Canadian XRP spot ETFs like the 3IQ XRP ETF on the Toronto Stock Exchange and Purpose XRP ETF have seen explosive growth since launching in 2025. In 2026 alone, North American XRP ETFs, including our Canadian frontrunners, have pulled in over 1.25 billion inflows, even as the XRP price dipped 27%. That's right, while the market's been volatile, these funds have been locked away hundreds of millions of XRP tokens from the open market. Think about it. That's over 800 million XRP quietly removed from circulation, sitting in institutional custody, while Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are seeing outflows. XRP is on a 43-day streak without a single redemption day. Canadian pension funds, asset managers, and even global players like Goldman Sachs are in on this. They're seeing XRP as the backbone for many efficient payments, especially with Canadian dollar integrations on the horizon. On-chain data backs this up. XRP ledger usage is spiking with more settlements happening daily. And here's the kicker. Disruptions in traditional systems, like those energy trades in Asia or even potential SWIFT hiccups during global tensions, are making XRP's case stronger. In Canada, with our focus on stable, fast payments, think Interact on steroids. XRP could revolutionize how we handle cross-border trades with the US and Europe. Imagine you own a toll road in Canada. A massive snowstorm hits. Chaos everywhere. Cars pile up on free roads, but your toll road? It's plowed, efficient, and suddenly everyone's paying to use it because the alternatives are failing. That's XRP right now. Global headlines like wars or economic shakes aren't killing the thesis. They're highlighting why we need better infrastructure. Canadian regulations are clearer than ever, with the CSA supporting crypto ETFs, positioning us ahead of the curve. So, why the gap between retail institutions? Us everyday Canadians often freak out over daily price fluctuations or headlines. Selling low? Institutions? They zoom out, sticking to a multi-year play. XRP as the bridge for moving value globally, including the Canadian dollar. XRP powers Canada's future in borderless payments. Check your position size. Don't overexpose to avoid emotional sells. And learn to spot noise, like price dips in news versus real threats. If you're building your XRP stack before the big shift, hit the subscribe button for more Canadian XRP updates. Like this video if it added value, and drop your comments below, please. Are you hoarding through the dips? Let's chat in the comments. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my own views and research. Always do your own due diligence and consider your situation. Thanks for watching Saban XRP. Stay bullish, Canada.